Hi, good morning. My name's Philip Binks. I'm the head of air traffic management at Altitude Angel.
Right, now what you show me here, I actually kind of know because last Thursday, Altitude Angel very kindly invited me to an event, and it's pretty mind-blowing. So if I have Mission Planner or a suitable aircraft connected to an API, what would that allow me to do in the near future?
Well, this is what you can see here. This is what we call Skyway. This is a project we've been given some government money for UKRI, and it's setting up 155 miles of corridors for drones to follow. What I must be clear about this is though, this is not segregated airspace, this is integrated airspace. So the drones will follow the corridor, but any aircraft can transit through the corridors. And along these corridors there are a number of towers, as you can see here. The sensors on those towers will detect everything that's going on in that area, and therefore make sure the drones are kept separated from any other airspace user.
And then, so whose permission do I need to be in there to operate it? Can I be flying my model airplane in there? Can I fly my kite in there? What about I want to fly through my helicopter?
Yeah, really good question. So if you're a drone operator, you'll need to be registered with Altitude Angel through Guardian UTM, their UTM system or our UTM system. From that you submit a flight plan. The flight plan then goes into Guardian. The Guardian will review it, and it can be automated reviewed or it can be manually processed, but obviously we're trying to take the human out of the loop, and so it'll be automatically assessed, and then you'll get an approval to access the corridor itself. While it's travelling through the corridor, what you'll have is conformance manager, and we'll see whether the drone is conforming as expected. If everything's happening normally, no, everything is absolutely fantastic, nothing changes. If, for example, though, we get a helicopter then, which is to transit through that corridor, the helicopter doesn't have to file a flight plan with us. It can just carry out its operation as normal, what it would do normally. This is Class G airspace here, so we don't want to prohibit anything that gets carried out in Class G airspace today. So people can carry on as normal. But the most important thing is the sensors can detect the other airspace activity, and because the drone is under our control, we can turn the drone away. We can, if it's appropriate aircraft, we can get it to hover. We can get it to turn left, right, climb, descend, basically have that ground-based deconfliction service.
And then, so model aircraft user, and I just want to fly and I don't care about this corridor, can I fly my model airplane normally?
Yeah, absolutely. But I think the BMFA are encouraging now people to, they have spoken to us, and I think they're encouraging, or they'll encourage each model aircraft site to say when they're active and when they're not active. So if that's the case, that information will go through to Guardian UTM. Guardian UTM say, right, okay, we'll stay well clear of this, put effectively a no-fly zone for drones in that bit of airspace. So if that becomes active, automatically the drone will be turned around it. So no, we want today's operations to carry on as normal. We want to be able to integrate drones into the airspace without adversely affecting current airspace users.
And to be clear, if I've got a Mavlink-enabled aircraft, say using Mission Planner, that's all I need. I don't need to put any extra devices on my airframe that are not normally out.
No, that's exactly it. That is exactly the case. So we have a number of methods of submitting flight plans into our system, but our system is also connected through our APIs to the likes of Mission Planner. We can also get the DJI aeroscope information that can come in, and we've got lots and lots of sensors to detect what is going on around the airspace. You're absolutely right, but what I would do is try and encourage anybody, even if you're just a hobbyist flying around, please just use the drone safety map or use Guardian UTM, hit the fly now function to say you're flying there, and we can put that on a map for all that information to be shared. We're trying to encourage the right responsible behaviours. Just to announce where you're flying, it takes seconds. So it's not really a problem to do that, but it just helps manage the airspace effectively and also improve safety.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, thank you.